In this video, I'll show you how you can close your Webull account. Now what you want to do, guys, is you want to download the Webull app, as it's much more easy to do it from in there. So you want to download the app and open it. Once you're in there, click on the Webull logo and select settings. Inside of settings, you want to scroll down until you find account settings. Under account settings, you will see an option to close account or close Webull account. If you don't see this option for some reason, you can just contact the customer support. So click on tab or submit a request and then select the reason, which is you want to close the account. Now keep in mind, before you close your account, it's important that you withdraw any of your funds or you sell or transfer any of your open positions, and make sure that your account has all cash settled and all the trades are done. So once you make sure all of that is done, you can close down your account. And then after some time, Webull will send you a confirmation that your account has been closed. Now I really hope this short video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.